welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Olivia. How are you doing today? I hope you're staying safe. If you're new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I upload new videos every Wednesdays and Saturdays. This channel is about fashion tutorials, lifestyle and DIY. You wouldn't want to miss any of my interesting videos, so hit that subscribe button now. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. I love you all. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing us how to make and attach a bow. So let's get started. So I have these two pieces of fabric already cut out. It's a satin material, doll face actually, which I used in making the gown we'll be using for this tutorial. It's measuring 5.5 inches on the width and 8.5 inches in length. I also used it to cut out just one piece of interfacing to give stability. We're going to iron the gum stay to the wrong side of one piece of the satin and then place the other piece right side facing each other, sew round, leaving about 2.5 to 3 inches opening. This opening is where we're going to be turning out the right side after sewing. Okay, so as you can see, I've ironed the gum stay to one piece of our satin. Remember to iron on the wrong side, then place the other satin right side facing each other and then sew just like I explained earlier. When you're done sewing, you will need to trim off all the sharp pointed edges so that when you turn, you're going to have a good pointed finishing. I think I'm going to turn this off camera and then show you, okay? I've turned it out and I've also given it a good press, as you can see. Now we're going to close up the opening you left earlier for turning. So it's now time to form our bow. All you need to do is to use your fingers to compress the middle like so, you know. Just give it any shape you want. Just from the middle you compress with your fingers until you get a desired shape, you know. Just give it any shape you want, and when you're satisfied with what you have, use your thread and needle to tack it. It's as easy as that. Just take your thread and needle, tack it to hold it down. Make sure you use a matching thread, and if you can, make it invisible. Just like I did my own, I made it invisible. You won't see the thread, the tacking thread. So this is what we have. You can make this bigger or smaller by increasing or reducing the measurement. It depends totally on what you want. Okay. So I have this small piece of satin which I already cut out. It's folded into two, right side facing each other, and it's measuring 1.5 inches in width and it's about 3.5 inches long. So we're just going to close it up by 1/2 inch, then turn it out like so. Iron it in such a way that the seam line will be at the center, like so. As you can see how I did mine. So by now you must have decided which side you want to be in front. You're going to just use the small piece to cover the middle of your bow, then sew at the back like so. After sewing, trim off the excess and adjust it well, like just make it look nice. So here is our bow, looking so neat and beautiful. I have this gown which I made in my last video. I'm going to be attaching this bow to it at the back actually, so you have to open up your zip before attaching. You need to be careful when doing this because you only need to attach it to one side of the back, just beside the zip, so the zip can open and close, you know. Carefully attach your bow. So I'm done attaching it, and this is what we have. So like I said, you can make yours bigger or smaller. It depends totally on what you want. So that is that for the bow. Hope you can see how it looks. Very nice. Those pieces of satin is for an effigy I just want to add to the sleeve. It's measuring about 3.5 inches in width and about 14 or 14.5 inches in length. So you can make it 14 or 14.5. It's okay. You will need to cut out 4 pieces of it. You need to cut out 4 for the 2 sleeve. So you're going to fold it into 2 and make a slight curve at one end. I already did mine off camera. So you're just going to curve it, sew down following the curve. Okay. So after sewing, you're just going to trim off the excess, the sewing allowance, to reduce bulkiness, and then you're going to turn it out to the right side and then give it a good press. Then you're going to use your scissors to turn out the pointed edge. Make sure the pointed edge is sharply pointed. I have 4 pieces of this already sewn and ironed, as you can see. Place them together to see if they are all of same length. Trim out any excess and make sure the 4 are equal. Okay. So this is our dress. from the shoulder, measure 3 inches downwards and mark on both sides. Mark on both sides of the armhole, 3 inches downwards. And then we're going to be attaching those 4 pieces to every side of the sleeve of the armhole. In attaching this, just fold the edge of the open side and place onto the 3 inches marking, making sure that the center of the sleeve strip is directly on the 3 inches. Pin it down and then sew neatly. You just do that on all sides, and that is that. So I've finished sewing the 4 pieces. Hope you can see how neat it's looking. You can actually make it longer or shorter, it totally depends on what you want. See how neat it's looking. So just tie it. You can use it to make a bow or whatever. Just make it look nice. And our dress is ready. If this video has been very helpful, please kindly give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section. Share this video and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.